This is definitely big Bitcoin news. I definitely consider this to be breaking Bitcoin news because I need to make you aware of something. If you're a Bitcoin holder, this video is for you. If you're thinking about buying Bitcoin, this video is for you. Thank you for your time. Smash that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. And here's what I want to share with you. I'm going to give Rect Capital over on X full credit for this because they're a fantastic content provider and creator having to do with Bitcoin. Okay. So look, I want to share with this. So we are in the danger zone for Bitcoin. Again, I do consider this pretty big Bitcoin news. So it's been 1 day since Bitcoin officially entered the quote danger zone. And that is this right area right here. Make sure you guys can see that. You can. In the upper right hand corner, see where that blue circle is and see the blue box. And then they call it an orange box. Kind of looks tan to me. And then you got the red box. Well, what we're talking about is entering into that tan/orange box. That is the danger zone. Okay. And here's what we're talking about. So entering into that box that I just showed you, that tan/orange box, this is where historical pre-halving retraces have begun, or retraces have moved back. Okay. So just bear with me because this is very, very important. Okay. So currently, Bitcoin is approximately 27 to 28 days away from the Bitcoin halving, which is going to happen approximately April 18th to approximately April 20th. The word approximately is because we don't know the exact day, but that's the time frame. Okay, so and Bitcoin has moved back about 18% since last week. Here's why this is important. Historically, Bitcoin has performed pre-halving retraces 14 to 28 days before the halving. Again, we're in the beginning of that danger zone, just entering into that. We're in day one. Remember that right there. Okay. In 2020, this retrace was 20%. So Bitcoin moved back 20 points. 2016, the retrace was 40 points. Now, it's not all bad news. If you go back and look at 2020, 21, you see, and now I'm in the lower left-hand corner, see the blue box, see we had the halving event. The red box was effectively kind of a consolidation period. And then look at the green boxes where Bitcoin went parabolic, hitting its all-time high back then of around 68,000 approximately. Okay. So you can see now moving over here on the right in 2024, we're entering into that tan orange box that is the danger zone. And then we've got the red box after where we could see some consolidation based off of historical trends. We'll see some sideways action and then we'll move up. And then we go into the green box, which is, that's the fun time. That's the parabolic time. Okay. And this is not just a one-time thing. If you go back and look at all of the Bitcoin halving cycles, this has happened time and time and time again. Okay. So if you are a Bitcoin holder and or thinking about buying Bitcoin, you need to be aware that we could have some more downside risk here, i.e. Bitcoin moving down because of this. In the upper right-hand corner, we're in that danger zone now where historically we've seen Bitcoin move between 20 and 40%. So we're already 18% down. Now we'll see Bitcoin ebb and flow. It'll move up and it'll move down and things of that nature, right? So like right now, as of recording this video, Bitcoin's up 2 points, okay? Now, I still think, again, as we see this roll forward, just be aware that we are now in a month-long kind of orange danger zone period, if you will, where we could see it could go either way. Because the issue we've got right now around this cycle is I think that this is kind of this particular Bitcoin halving cycle is different. We got ETFs. We've got Main Street kind of traditional adoption, traditional finance adoption of crypto, i.e. Bitcoin, meaning there's an army of financial advisors who work for all these big financial, companies like BlackRock and Fidelity and all those guys that are out there now selling Bitcoin ETFs to their clients. I've heard as much as they're saying, hey, allocate 3% of your portfolio towards crypto, towards Bitcoin ETFs, things of that nature. My point is this, is that we're in day one of the Bitcoin danger zone, possible retrace where we could see between 20 and 40% move back during this cycle. So empower yourself with that information. Use it to pick your opportunities to buy more Bitcoin if you're thinking about it, because it's certainly what I am doing, okay? And just know that this is a thing and know that this is where we're at, okay? So that's what I've got for you. Before I let you go, I want to share with you a real cool project called Fourstar Metaverse project, VR Metaverse. The only place you can buy their token right now, there's a link in the description below to the video. You can pick up their token. It'll take you to this page. The link below, you create an account, you can get their token for 20 cents right now. In approximately about a month, they're going to launch on a pretty big exchange. And I think the price of that token is going to go up. Okay. So I think it's a great investment. I have bought some Fourstar myself. I am an investor, bought the tokens just like you. I created an account in right here, went in, bought some tokens. Now I own them. Okay. So you can check out Fourstar, all that they do. What I love about what they're doing is they have a dual plan. They have a plan to get content creators to create and deploy content inside of the Fourstar metaverse. It's not just a go into Fourstar and then you go play their Fourstar game. No, it's an immersive VR experience whereby the token FSTR will be used for in-game or excuse me, in metaverse purchases. For example, let me share this one. This is kind of cool. You see this Alpha Leo bot. If you were to basically use USD, it would cost you 20 bucks. No, if you basically buy and hold the token and use the token, you can get that same same Alpha Leo bot for $4. So it's an 80% discount. Yep, you heard me right. That's really cool. Okay. So lots to more. There's so much. I could spend an hour-long video talking about Fourstar, what they're doing and all that stuff. I'm just making you aware of it. If you're interested, links in the description below. Create an account. Use my referral link below and check it out. Okay. So with that, that's all I have for you. Thanks for your time. I'll see you.